So you want to learn how to code, but you're not sure which programming language to start with. With so many programming languages out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for you. Where should I begin? To determine which language is best for you, consider these factors: your interests, career goals, and the resources available for learning. Let's break it down. Python is beginner-friendly, versatile, and has a supportive community. JavaScript is essential for web development and offers high demand in the job market. Java is widely used in enterprise applications and Android app development. C++ is great for systems programming and game development. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and is often used in web development. Each language has its strengths and weaknesses. Ultimately, the best language to learn first is the one that aligns with your goals and interests. So, do your research, explore your options, and dive into the exciting world of programming.